Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, objects often come with various methods and attributes that allow you to perform specific actions or retrieve information about the object. Sometimes, you may want to explore and discover what methods are available for a particular object, and Python provides several built-in functions and techniques to help you achieve this. In this tutorial, we will explore how to find what methods a Python object has using code examples. The dir function is a built-in Python function that returns a list of all attributes and methods of an object. It can be used to inspect any object, including modules, classes, and instances. Here's how you can use it. The dir function returns a list of strings, where each string represents an attribute or method of the object. Keep in mind that this list can be quite long, including both public and private attributes/methods. Private attributes/methods are typically indicated by a leading underscore, example _private_method. The help function is another built-in function that provides information about objects, including methods and their docstrings. You can use help, in combination with dir, to get a more detailed view of an object's methods. In this example, we loop through the methods and use help, to display the documentation for each method. This is particularly useful when you want to understand how to use a specific method or what parameters it accepts. The getAttr function allows you to access an object's attributes or methods by name. You can use it to check if a specific method or attribute exists on an object. In this example, we use hasAttr to check if a method named split exists on the my_string object. If it does, we retrieve and print the method. Python also provides an interactive way to explore an object's methods and attributes using the built-in help function within the Python interpreter or Jupyter notebook. Simply type help object to access the interactive help. This will open an interactive help session where you can navigate through the object's methods and attributes using the arrow keys and press Q to exit. Discovering what methods and attributes a Python object has is essential for effectively working with various libraries and modules. Python provides multiple ways to achieve this, including the dir, help, and getAttr functions, as well as the interactive help in the Python interpreter. Using these techniques, you can gain a deeper understanding of how to interact with Python objects and harness their capabilities in your code. ChatGPT